How to add a secret message link on your Facebook profile. Simple. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply add a secret message link on your Facebook profile. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you just have to go into your Google Chrome and write this secret message link. This is a kind of a page that opens up. Once you go there, you just have to copy this link. Once you have copied the link, just going to go into the Facebook, go into your profile. You can go into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. So once you go there, you just have to add public details. You're just going to go down, and in the links you're going to add some. For example, you're going to write a link of an website. So here you're going to paste it. Once you do that, it has been saved or it has been pasted. Now you just have to tap save on it. So once you do that, this secret message link is there. So once you go over there, here it is. So this is how you add a secret message link to your Facebook profile in a simple, quick and easy method. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Till next time, peace.